Because the mine has very little flow and the tunnel is narrow and long, this sediment is not likely to settle quickly. Time to stage our scooters. We will swim the remainder of the journey because we know there is no appropriate place to stage our DPVs at our destination. That's because our target lies in a massive chamber with a single suspended line running across it. As a cave diver, it's easy to forget that these mines aren't naturally formed. Every cubic meter of open space has been painstakingly excavated by human beings. Of course, tools were used for this excavation, and across the massive chamber sits exactly one of such tools, at the furthest point of our mine dive today. This saw blade, stuck in the side of the wall, is the size of a small human being. Because this entire section of mine sits around 30 meters, 100 feet of depth, we have to manage our bottom time wisely. We recover our scooters and trace back on our steps to the large room with excavators. Here too, we stage our propulsion vehicles so we can take our time to inspect the abandoned machinery in this large hall. Mining operations in Felicitas mine were ceased relatively recently in 1997. This means that at least in this part of the mine, modern machinery was used for the extraction of materials. When the mine closed, these machines were simply left inside.